Hi, this is Norris at Norrgidd Home Improvement. Now I'm showing you all guys all the finished product. Over here we have the kitchen, and that's where the furnace is, right inside that area. And this is one of the bedroom. This bedroom is very beautiful. I love it, and it turned out pretty well. We will have a walk-in closet inside here. It's a very nice closet. The homeowners are very excited so far about it. Yeah, this kitchen is very good. That's all the living space over there where the TV goes. Over here is the washroom. I do it very modern. I give it like a concrete look, nice shower glass, tempered. Can't complain. This job turned out beautiful. Yep. And we have another bedroom inside here with a small closet. So this is some of the pictures of what the job finished product look like, plus what we have some of the old pictures coming up. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Please subscribe. Norrgidd to the world. We're just doing some finish touching. You know what I mean? 1, 2. Okay. Yeah, this is what it was like. Fresh drywall. We did the floors. We did everything.